Hey YouTube, Scott Off-Road, how you doing today? Well, we are getting ready for Overland Expo in Colorado this month, and one of the things I wanted to do was screens. That way when we're camping in the vehicle, we can let some cool air in, but not let the bugs in. Mosquitoes suck. So, I also wanted to do this on a budget, because this is the budget-friendly Overland build, and I came up with something. I don't know if it's going to work. It looks like it's going to work, but I'm not sure. So let's see what we're doing. Alright, so what we're going to do is we took a piece of foam board from the RC course as a template, cut it to pretty much match, and it actually is the right thickness. It slides into the window channel in the back windows, slides up, clicks into place. There you go. That's the basic idea. You roll your lower window up to this, or your back window up to this, and it's all sealed up all the way around. I'll adjust this opening a little bit nicer, but then I'll attach a screen to it. What I really like about it is how tight it fits in there. The fact that it is foam, I'm not worried about breaking a window. What I don't like about this is it's not waterproof, not even water resistant, and I don't want to do this more than once. I looked at other materials at other places. I found black foam board, which would look great, but again, it's not waterproof or water resistant, and that's a problem. I think I found something though. I don't know if this is going to work, so you're going to have to come along and watch the end and find out. So let's take this out. Let's go to the workbench. Alright, so let's go over what we're going to use. Black duct tape, not necessary, but I think it's going to do what we need. This is a screen insert for a residential window. It's 10 inches wide, 20 to 30 something inches. It was the least expensive way to buy a screen for this, and this is like $5. I think the duct tape was $2. And then this is just, it's a plastic corrugated sign material, less than $5. So I'm in right about $11 for this, and if this works, that's going to be amazing. All right, let's bring our template over. Mark it. And when I say mark it, I mean actually put a mark on it. Alright. First thing we'll do, cut it out and see if this will even fit in the window. That's it, in real time. Alright, so we're back here at the Jeep, and we've got to test fit this, make sure this is going to work. Slides into the window channel. Nice and snug. Pop it in all the way to the top. I really like the way that fits in there. Nice and straight on the bottom. Let's roll up the window and see what happens. Alright, window's rolled up. Fits in nicely. What I am noticing is there's a little bit of a gap in this front corner just from the bend of the window. But other than that, this is nice and tight right here. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is trace out for the cutout for the screen. But I'm going to go on the inside. There we go, pretty self-explanatory. We're going to cut this section out here. Let's get the knife. Alright. There's our template. Let's take it back to the Jeep, see how it does. Test fitting. You unfold it in. Folds in nicely. Slides up. Looks pretty good. I could probably go a little bit higher if I wanted to. But I think I'm okay with this size. Now, to put the screen in. So I've got to go slightly bigger than what I have. I think if I go right there, see if I can cut a straight line. Doesn't look like it, but it looks like that will work on that one. Okay, so I've gone around the edge on the outside and sealed up this bottom lip right here. That's going to keep moisture from getting in there. Now I'm just going to go through and seal up around the edges. And just, basically this is just to blacken it up. Alright, we're all taped up. Front edge I'm not too worried about because that will sit inside the window ledge or window seal. We're going to take the screen. I'm going to set that in place, and then we're going to tape that. Alright, the screen's in. Let's go see how it looks in place. Good, I didn't trim too much. It was just bowing out real bad right here. Let's roll it up. So, there you go, all in. Again, I may do a flap right here just to help seal this up a little bit, and I'll do that out of tape. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. And remember, you fix the Jeep fixes you.